I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day. I believe today is 15. 15! Oh my gosh, we only have 10 days left. Less than 10 days. That's crazy. Wow. I'm a little cold. As always, I'm always cold. I mean, I'm just always cold, end of sentence, but especially in the mornings when I first wake up. I'm just so cold. Have my juice here. It was like, now I can't remember, grapefruit citrus. A little sour from the grapefruit, but it's okay. Whoa, look at this. Okay, bedhead is out of control. You know, we are getting pretty deep into Vlogmas here where, you know, vlogging 15 days straight in quarantine is a bit of a challenge, I'm not gonna lie. I don't always have good and interesting things, and obviously I have to come up with something. And I feel like I've done a pretty good job so far, humbly. But we are starting to reach a point where I'm like, oh my god, what else can I do at home? Ugh, I have some annoying stuff to do today too. You know, it just feels like, I hope that these vlogs are not getting too repetitive, because I do understand that they are repetitive, but I hope they are enjoying them anyway, because, you know, I really am just doing the same shit every day, so that's hard. That's, you know, stay at home COVID for ya. There just is not that much to be done. Ever. I'm just gonna start with going through my emails. I have 72 in my inbox. Gotta just start on that and get this work day rolling. Okay, I just worked for a little while and now I'm gonna throw on some makeup. Just gonna throw in a little bit of makeup because I'm doing a call a little later that is gonna be on video chat. I figured I would just get that out of the way and might as well look slightly nicer for this vlog for once. I guarantee by the end of Vlogmas I've worn makeup in like maybe 5 vlogs of 24. I'm just not going anywhere or doing anything that would require makeup, so what is the point? A nice fresh Shape Tape, never been used before. So good. Let's dive into this. My lips are still so freaking chapped. Actually, I'll show you what I've been using. So this is the Lord Jones Whole Plant Formula CBD Lip Balm. Full spectrum CBD. And yeah, I've been using this and I've noticed such a difference on my lips. They've been really chapped lately. I've just been really dehydrated. Really been liking this product. It just feels really nice to my lips too. I also notice sometimes when my lips are chapped, that product will sort of like gunk up in the corners of my lips. And I haven't noticed that with this product yet, which is great too. Anyway, there we go, makeup done. That was a nice little break from work. And now I think I gotta just get back into it again. I swear this cat always needs to be on me somehow. Like, I need this arm, Molly. I can't do anything. I'm trying to work here. Look at that. What are you doing? I need my arm free from you. It's a good girl. I know, but it's work time, not snuggle time. All time is snuggle time for a cat, I suppose. Still just like touching me, always touching me. So here's the deal, you guys. I am pretty much through my to-do list for the day right now, and it's 1:15 p.m. I mean, I'm pretty happy about that, not gonna lie. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna make lunch right now and then finish up 1 or 2 more things. And then, so I do have a call at 4, so I can't really clock out until after that call is done. Probably will be like 40 minutes to an hour. And then I'm going to work out. I mean, at the very beginning of Vlogmas, I said that I wanted to start working out again, and I didn't. Not that it's too late now, but I just really, I gotta get back to it. It's just so important. I just have to get back into it and just bite the bullet and do it. I'm just gonna start out slow, work my way back up, and hopefully be able to get back into a really good groove with the working out again. Just has to happen. I can't put it off anymore. Anyway, there you go. I'm gonna make lunch now. And what I think I'm gonna have is some of this autumn squash soup, this Panera soup that I got. And then I'm just going to fry up some tofu as well. And that should sort of complete the lunch. Okay, we have our lunch here. Very excited to try this soup. It smells amazing, and I did end up only using half of it, and it looks like a good portion for like a side, so I feel good about that. This looks really good. I'm excited. Okay, let's sample this soup here. Oh my god. Whoa, that is so good. I could seriously just like drink this. It's so creamy and yummy. Highly recommend, you guys. Highly recommend. Well, just found out that my 4 p.m. call got canceled, so there you go. Day is pretty clear. Obviously, I'm still like gonna keep an eye on my client and any requests that they have or whatever that will come up, but for the most part, I'm pretty much done with work for the day. I never, ever, ever have days like this anymore. I seriously have not ended early, like this early, where I was pretty much done at 1:15, although I did just sit down and work until 3. So I don't know, maybe we call it officially 3 p.m. ending, but that is so rare that it happens, and certainly never like early in the week. So it's a Christmas miracle. I think I'm going to take my makeup off, which is sad because I actually like the way my makeup turned out. Maybe I'll take a photo or two first, and then I'll take my makeup off. And then we're gonna work out. We're gonna get it done and over with, because actually I have like a very unhealthy night plan, so sort of like nulls the workout, but whatever. It's just about getting back in the pattern, not about anything else. But yeah, I'm going to Katie's tonight. If you guys don't remember, or maybe don't know, Katie's a friend of mine who moved here from New Jersey at the beginning of this year, and she actually lives in my building. So she's one of the only people I've been seeing during this specific lockdown. She's the only other friend that I've seen. Anyway, I'm going over there. I think we'll have some drinks, and we're also going to make some homemade mac and cheese. I'll explain all of that when I'm at hers, why we're doing that. But yeah, anyway, it should be sort of fun doing mac and cheese from scratch. Can never hurt. Okay, we're about to get to our workout now. I am not going to be in the best shape heading into this workout because I haven't worked out in a couple of months, but I'm going to try to just go in there. As I said, I'm going to like let myself, I'm just gonna be easy on myself. I'm not gonna push myself too hard. I'm not gonna expect this to be my best workout or anything like that, because that's just unrealistic expectations. So I'm just gonna go in and, you know, do my best and not even comment or think about whether it was a good workout or bad workout or anything like that. Instead, I'm just going to accept where I'm at right now, accept that I'm, you know, just trying to get back into it and go from there. Oh my God, yep. My cellar water everywhere. Okay, workout complete. We are showered, we're fresh, a new woman. And I got changed into a slightly different outfit here. I just have on these biker shorts from Forever 21, which are so cute and comfortable. They fit perfectly. And then the shirt from Revolve. I'll try to remember to link these down below. My little Forever 21 slippers. I just figured I would change into something slightly different since I'm going to Katie's tonight, but still want to be comfortable. Just always trying to strike the balance between comfy and cute. That is just my goal in life in general. So yeah, there you go. Oh yeah. I'm about to head up to Katie's place. So I'm just grabbing a couple things that I'm bringing up to her place. And I thought it'd be fun to bring this holiday tonic kit that I got. This is from a Lord Jones event. I just thought that would be sort of fun to bring. So there we go. Okay, we're just looking this little tonic kit. I'm with Katie now. Hello, lady. And so this gives like the little instructions. Then I think it has all of the supplies in here. Very fun. Let's do it. Lemon sugar. Let's see. Oh, here we go. One for each of us.
Cool.
And it gives you this cute little like stirring.
I love this. I'm so excited.
I know.
How fun. Okay.
So cute.
Just do like half and half, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yum. Yay.
Perfect.
Okay, and now the cinnamon sticks. They look so festive. Yeah, cheers.
Try.
Yes.
Cheers. I think it'll be better as the cinnamon dissolves.
But yeah, I do actually really like that. But yeah, I'm not getting a whole lot of like the ginger.
Maybe we just need more vodka.
Obviously. Okay, we went in for second drinks. We kept our cinnamon stick in there, but this is like a grape holiday juice that we put in there this time. And we're gonna start our mac and cheese. And this is so funny. We came up with this idea because Katie accidentally ordered a giant block of cheese. Like, what? Katie, why?
No clue, but it's clearly meant to be.
It's so big.
Jill was actually with me when it came in the Instacart order.
And we like cried our eyes out laughing.
I was like, Jill, is this what?
I know.
She was like,
It's so funny. The best part is, where does it say it, Katie?
Oh, baby loaf.
Here. Okay, the best part is they call it a baby loaf of cheese. A loaf. This is a loaf of cheese, you guys. So this inspired the meal for tonight. The thing is that we don't have a cheese grater.
Ooh.
And so we came up with a, what I think, innovative and creative idea.
well, we'll see how it works.
The best thing we have is this strainer that has holes in it because it strains things. And so, yep, we're gonna try it. We're gonna try to grate this on the strainer. If not, we're cutting it up into small little pieces and doing our best, but
Wish us luck, guys.
let's see how it goes.
Oh, you think you're gonna go that way?
They're so low.
I know. See, I was sort of thinking that you could just scrape it on the bottom.
Oh. Yeah, this is...
Is anything happening?
It's working.
Oh, it's working a little.
No.
Yeah, that's why I was thinking if you like scrape it along the bottom, the cheese will just go right in.
Okay.
You know, like if you just, you know what I mean? All right, let's see if anything is happening. Not a thing. Not a thing.
Wait, let me try again.
Oh, there's a few little
A few little flakes.
mac and cheese.
This is so funny.
I think our
It's gonna take way
experiment
too
failed.
long. I mean, yeah.
It failed. Failed hard.
To be fair, I thought of this idea when we were on drink 3 last Friday. So it seemed like a good call.
I thought that it would work. As I said, it's innovative.
I think what it is.
All right, we're on the cutting train now. It's going a lot better. We're just cutting it up into
We
tiny
hope.
little
We don't know
pieces
yet,
so that
but it should.
hopefully
Yeah.
it'll work a little better. Check out this mac and cheese right now, you guys. How good is this looking? We're gonna add a little bit more cheese in there. I think it needs some more salt and pep, but we are on like a really good path here. It's looking and tasting really yummy. And we have the Bachelorette on because I'm still way behind. Okay, we have our finished mac and cheese, which is looking amazing. How does it taste? Is it so good? Oh my God, I'm so excited to try this. Okay, we're home and we're doing some TV in bed tonight because I'm so sleepy already. Just gonna throw on some Office and relax. Molly Cat's here. Molly, are you happy I'm home? Sorry, it's pretty zoomed in on you. There we go, that's better. Hi, are you happy that Mama's home? She has been anxiously awaiting the cuddles, right? All of the cuddles.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?